Hey, what's going on, guys? Chris here from Filled Inventory. I just got home from work about 20 minutes ago, and we got another package in the mail. Know what this is? I'm pretty pumped. But figured I'd do an unboxing for you guys, so you can see what it is. Pretty big box here. So, bad boy open. Put my knife away. And oh my god, look at this. It is another box. Just kidding, but seriously, let's open that box up. Never understand that. Why are you gonna put a box inside a box? That seems like a waste to me, but whatever. Get this bad boy open. Alright. And here it is. I'm very pumped for this. It's not even funny. It is the Bioshock Infinite Ultimate Songbird Edition. Pretty awesome. You can see the statue in there. So yeah, got Elizabeth on the side there, Booker, the back, just, whatever. Bioshock Infinite. Nice. So, put the camera back a little bit here. Sorry for the wobble there. Just, make it easier to see. So, let's see what we got in this thing. I have been so pumped for this game, I can't even tell you. Been waiting for this forever. Love the first Bioshock. So pumped for this. Can't even wait. All I want to do is put it in play right now. But I want to do this for you guys first, because I'm that kind of guy. So, alright. Put this to the side here for now. And we got this little thing here, which is game, obviously. It's got the reversible cover, I'm sure. Download your own soundtrack for Bioshock for free. Not bad. Avatar items for Xbox. Pretty cool. Upgrade pack. Start the game with 3 exclusive gear power-ups. We got this, which is sealed. Should I open it? I don't know, I guess we'll open it. Why not? I don't really want to rip this, but whatever. Alright, I'm gonna try to peel it off with the sticker. It's very difficult. Okay. Just like a little lithograph. Light the way with Devil's Kiss. Not sure why that was sealed, but I thought it was going to be like some secret message thing. Kind of like Dead Space when I did. But whatever. So, try to seal that back up as best as possible. Then we got I guess this is the art book, Columbia Custom. It's pretty cool too. You can see there how it's like they made it look dirty and old. It's actually kind of cool, actually. Yeah, so the art book, art full of wonderful, glorious art from the game. So there's that. Throw all this stuff back in here except for the download codes, because I'm going to use that when I play the game. We have Murder of Crows. That's pretty cool. Is the little Murder the Crows tonic keychain. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Put back in there. If I can. I'm an idiot. There we go. So that's in there. And then we also got this Betterman Auto Bodies, the Handyman. It's this little dude. That's that board game. They made a board game for this that goes along with this, I guess. That's what that is. I don't know. Maybe I'll check out the board game. Get back in focus. There we go. Okay. Yeah, maybe I'll pick that up. I don't know. Maybe I'll look into it. And then, what else do we have here in this? So, let me toss this back in there. Oops. Actually, I'll wait because if I'm taking this giant thing, that's not going to matter. So, and we have this, the Songbird Sentinel of our fair city. It's actually kind of cool. It looks like it's in a old toy, like, you know, toys from long ago came with this. And this is actually, I'm pretty sure, the alternate cover for the game, which is pretty cool. Friend of the Fair and Faithful. Pretty cool. I guess we'll open this bad boy up here. Man, this thing's big. It up. So the jump. Okay. Put this to the side. And here he is. Songbird. Really nice detail in this actually. This is a nice statue. So you see in the packaging his wings are back there, they're not attached to him. Obviously for fitting purposes. But yeah, there he is. That is the Songbird from Bioshock. I'm not going to take him out of the package right now because I don't have a spot. Something I can do in my room is get more shelving or make more spots for all these collectibles I have. But I'm just going to leave him in here for now so I can just toss him right back in that box until I get room. But yeah, so that is the Bioshock Ultimate Songbird Edition. Pretty cool. Pretty sure they're sold out of these actually. I would say pick them up, but I think they're sold out. So with that, I'm going to go play this awesome game. So have a good one, guys.